Good morning from Master Trist and welcome to Monday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 21st of July 2025. The US Dow Jones decreased 0.32%, settling the day at 44,342.19, while the Nasdaq ended the session at 20,895.66, increasing 0.05%. In the Asian market, Hang Seng is trading at 24,991. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 25,034.50, indicating a start in the green for the Indian market. FII bought 374.74 crore in the cash market, while DII bought 2,103.51 crore in the last trading session. HDFC Bank Q1 net profit falls 1.3% YoY to 16,258 crore. Private banks see sharp rise in bad loans provisions in Q1. Now talking about global aspects, China held key lending rates steady, with the 1-year at 3.0% and 5-year at 3.5%. Asia shares, yen weather Japan uncertainty as earnings loom. WTI fell 0.3% to $67.34 a barrel, and Brent fell 0.3% to $69.28 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 98.17. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 0.25%, down. Here is a recap of Friday's trading session. Indian equity benchmarks continued their downward trend, with the Nifty falling 0.72% for the week, its third straight weekly decline, driven by weak Q1 earnings and continued uncertainty over US-India trade talks. Axis Bank tumbled over 5%, marking its worst session in 6 months, after a surprise profit miss linked to higher bad loans from a sector-wide benchmarking adjustment. Outlook for today. Nifty 50 declined for the third consecutive week, slipping below its 21-day EMA near the 25,200 mark, signaling short-term weakness. However, the index continues to hold above its 55-day EMA and daily super trend, suggesting the broader trend remains positive. Key support is seen at 24,750, while the crucial support zone lies between 24,500 and 24,560, aligned with the 100-day EMA. As long as this zone is intact, the structure remains constructive. On the upside, 25,200 now acts as immediate resistance, and a sustained move above it could open the path toward 25,500. Overall, a buy on dips near support remains favorable. Bank Nifty extended its decline for the third straight week, pressured by a sharp drop in Axis Bank, dampening overall sentiment. The index closed below its 21-day EMA, signaling short-term weakness, though the broader trend remains intact with support from the 55-day EMA and the ascending trend line. Key support is placed at 56,000, a decisive break may lead to 55,500. On the upside, 56,700 acts as immediate resistance, and a breakout above this could reignite buying interest, targeting 57,100. Traders are advised to adopt a buy on dips approach near key support levels while maintaining caution amid prevailing market volatility. Stocks on the radar. Bullish view, Paytm, UPL, Wipro, Prestige, DLF. Bearish view, Axis Bank, LTIM, TechM, RBL Bank, Eternal. Trade of the day is bullish on Mankind, buy at 2,652, stop loss 2,550. Target 2,740. Rationale, bullish momentum. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purposes. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.